How to connect Steam to BattleNet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect your Steam to BattleNet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you can open up your Steam. So you can simply search for Steam and head over to its website. Other than that, you can also open another tab and head over to battle.net. So let's let that load. And here you'll see your account information. So let's tap on account, head over to your profile, and here we'll check for connections. So let's check for connections on Steam first. So let's let that load. So you can go to the connection section and simply check for connection if battle.net is available or not. So here you can simply go ahead, go to your devices or wherever your setting is and wherever you can connect to it. So most probably you won't find an option on Steam itself. So instead of that, open up battle.net, make sure that you're logged in on your Steam and then on your BattleNet as well. Then log in into your account. So let's log into BattleNet. Tap on login from here and log in using your account. So here there are different options you can use to log in. I've just used my Google account. So there you can see I've just logged in. Now what you'll need to do is head over to your account settings. Just hover over your username on the top right, head over to account settings from here. After you're here on the left hand side, you will see an option that says connections. Tap on connections and there you'll see Steam. Tap on connect. After that, tap on continue again. Then here you will see your option already registered or already available right here since you logged in into Steam earlier. So now tap on sign in or simply tap on sign in. That's basically it. And here you can now tap on sign in. And after you tap on sign in, you'll get connected to battle.net. And yeah, tap and confirm and then you'll be linked. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Here.